So now let's see how we can work around with audio hardware and audio output mapping settings inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around under Edit right here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around under Preferences right here, and you can see that audio hardware is an option. So the default device class is MME right here, so depending on what is supported, you can also go around and select out different classes of audio, as you can see. Right now, the default input is RTX voice right here, but you can see that there's multiple voice inputs that you can select from over here, and you can choose the one you like right here. Let me just go around and keep it to RTX itself in my case. You can also go around and select out default output. So if you have more than one speaker, let's say you added in a headphone and you want to hear the output through that, then you can go around and select out the output from over here. The master clock is the out speaker or the microphone, as you can see right here. So the clock speed is here. The latency is 200. So if you want to go around and then change around the latency right here, that is the amount of time it takes for the audio to play, then you can change it out over here as well. So the sample rate is 4800, as you can see, but you can go around onto settings right here and access the Windows sound settings as well if you want from over here. So for more control, and this is how you can go around and change around the audio settings. On the STO side right here, you can go around and choose STO right here. You can go around onto settings right here, just like this as well. But let me just go around onto MME because that is what you have for default input, output, and so forth. If I were to go around onto audio output mapping, then you can see that this is what you have. So you got two audio output mappings right here, just like this. So there's speakers, that is audio 1, and speaker audio 2 right here. If you have more than one audio output, then you can go around and map these out from over here as well and change where the audio is coming out from when you're playing back the audio from your project. So that is how you can work around with audio hardware and audio output mapping settings inside of Adobe Premiere Elements to let the audio behave as you want when you're editing. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.